Hi everybody, this video is about Google Docs for Kids, Episode 1, What is it? So what is Google Docs? Well, Google Docs is a computer program for writing. With Google Docs, you can really make your writing look good. You can choose different fonts, you can move your text around, and you can choose different colors for your text. And you can even search for images on the internet and add them to your document. And Google Docs makes writing easier too. One of the great things about writing on a computer is that you can go back and edit writing that you did before. So instead of having to do a lot of erasing or starting all over again, you can just go back into your writing and make changes. Google Docs is also a program that lives on the internet, so everything that you do on Google Docs is automatically saved right away, and you can access your work from any device that has an internet connection. So if you start working on a document at school, you can easily continue working on the same document at home as long as you can get online. Google Docs also lets you collaborate or work together with other people even at the same time. So you can work on a report with your classmate, each one of you working on your own computer. Your teacher can also work with you and help you with your writing, each of you working on your own computer. So let's take a closer look at Google Docs right now. When you want to start a brand new document in Google Docs, you can go to docs.google.com. That will take you to your Google Docs homepage where you can see all of your Google Docs documents. Up at the top, you can see some options for starting a new document. We're going to click on the plus sign for a blank document. And that takes us to a brand new Google Docs document. So let's have a look around. Our blank page takes up most of the space, but notice this little blinking vertical line here. That's called your cursor. Whenever you start to type, the characters you type will appear exactly where the cursor is. There are different ways to move the cursor, and we'll talk about that in the next episode. Up at the top of Google Docs, we have a menu. When you click on a menu item, you'll see a list or submenu of different choices. And just below the menu, you'll see what's called a toolbar. And if you move your pointer around using your trackpad or mouse, you can hover over some of these items and you'll see an explanation of what the item is. And let's take a close look at the undo icon located up at the top left. The undo command is probably going to be one of your best friends when you're working in Google Docs because it lets you undo previous mistakes or something that you change your mind about. So that's a brief intro to Google Docs. To get started with a real document, check out the next episode, Formatting in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.